Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to fix AC on Dodge Ram 1500 Easy Method. Start by checking the cabin air filter, blower motor, cooling fan, and refrigerant level for obvious issues. Use simple tools like a multimeter and a pressure gauge to confirm electrical and refrigerant health. I will guide you through testing the blower, reading fan voltages, identifying leaks, and basic recharge tips to get cool air flowing again safely and affordably. Warm tip: when tackling electricals, safety comes first and a multimeter is your best friend. Start by testing blower motor voltage at the connector, then verify fuses and relays for continuity. Look closely at wiring for corrosion, loose connectors, or frayed insulation that can mimic AC failure. I will walk you through what readings to expect, how to safely swap a relay, and when to call a pro versus continuing DIY repairs in your garage. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep making practical automotive guides. Quick recommendation: musical notes bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker, great for hands-free instructions and playlists while you wrench. It makes following steps easier and a bit more fun. Check the description for the link and other deals, and thank you for the support. Now let's get back to the video. When dealing with refrigerant, accuracy matters, and so does following regulations. Read high and low side pressures with a gauge to determine low charge or restriction, then inspect compressor seals, O-rings, and AC lines for oil stains that reveal leaks. I will describe using UV dye or soap solution to pinpoint slow leaks, deciding when to replace components, and how to safely recharge the system to restore consistent cooling without overfilling or risking damage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.